For this question, it's a little bit different. We're asked for the mean. And the mean is basically the expected value for a probability in a distribution. So in other words, if 7% of the population, or of whatever sample, is expected to have this certain genetic mutation, then how many would we expect out of 900? Okay, so first of all, let's write down this formula. So we're going to call this the expected value, which is equal to the mean, which is equal to x times the probability of that x occurring. So in this case, we know that x is going to be my 900, and the probability of it occurring is going to be 7%. So this is my probability of x. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just type this into a calculator. So just give me a moment. So here's my calculator, and I just did, if you notice here, I just did search for calculator in Google, and you get this one, which is nice because I can put percent signs in. I don't have to worry about converting it to a decimal. So I do 7% times 900. All right, hang on, let me do it the way I have the formula written. The formula is written as x, which is my 900, times 7%. Okay, so I hit equals, and I get 63. So back on my homework assignment, I'm going to type in 63, and this should be correct. Yay. Okay, so that should help you with the next question or so.